Have you ever wondered which indicator actually gives better trading signals, RSI or MACD? You're not alone. To answer that, we first need to understand how each one works, when they're most effective, and what sets them apart. In this video, I'll break down their key features and compare them side by side using real chart examples. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one fits your trading style or if combining them gives you the edge. Stick around, these 5 minutes could take your trading performance to the next level. Quick overview of indicators. RSI. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures how fast and how much price moves. It ranges from 0 to 100 and is mainly used to spot overbought and oversold levels in the market. MACD. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages. It includes a MACD line, a signal line, and a histogram, helping traders spot trend direction and momentum changes. RSI versus MACD, key differences. Now let's summarize the key differences between RSI and MACD in a quick table. After that, we'll look at how they perform in real market situations and find out which one works better and when. Market condition. RSI works best in ranging markets, while MACD is more effective in trending conditions. Signal timing. RSI gives earlier signals, which can be helpful but risky. MACD signals usually come later, but they tend to be more reliable. Reliability. RSI can be sensitive and sometimes noisy. MACD is generally smoother and more stable in trends. Best use case. RSI is ideal for spotting overbought and oversold levels. MACD is better at confirming trend direction and momentum. Lag. RSI has less lag and reacts faster to price changes. MACD has more lag due to its moving average calculations. So depending on the market and your style, you might prefer one, or even better, use both together for a more complete picture. Chart comparison examples. Let's take a look at how RSI and MACD behave on real charts, and see how they perform in live market conditions. First example, RSI gives early signal, MACD confirms late. Here, RSI crosses above the 30 level right after a sharp price dip, giving us an early buy signal. RSI reacts quickly, detecting the momentum shift almost immediately. Now, look at MACD. It's still lagging behind. The MACD line is below the signal line, and the histogram is still negative. It takes several more candles before MACD finally confirms the trend reversal. This delay can work for or against you, depending on your trading style. If you're an aggressive trader, you might prefer RSI for quicker entries. But if you're more conservative, MACD gives confirmation after more price data, potentially saving you from false moves. Second example, RSI gives false signal, MACD filters it out. In this chart, RSI once again crosses above 30 and flashes a buy signal. But this time, the price quickly drops again. It was a fake out. MACD doesn't confirm the move at all. The MACD line stays below the signal line and the histogram remains red. No confirmation. It completely filters out the false signal. This is where MACD really shines, by acting as a filter. While RSI is faster but more sensitive, MACD waits for stronger confirmation, helping you avoid bad trades. Conclusion: so, which one is better? Final thoughts. Which one is better, RSI or MACD? Well, do you want to catch signals early, even if they might be a bit noisy? Then RSI is your friend. Or do you prefer more filtered, reliable signals, even if they're a bit late? Then MACD is your choice. But what if you could have the best of both worlds? Spot early entries with RSI. Confirm them with MACD. This combo helps you catch great trades while avoiding the traps. So the real power? It's not RSI versus MACD. It's RSI plus MACD. You'll find the link to my RSI plus MACD combo videos in the description. Go take a look. Learning how indicators work is the first step to confident trading, and you just took it. RSI spots momentum, MACD confirms trends, master both, and you trade smarter. Next up, RSI versus Stochastic Oscillator, two heavyweights face off. Don't miss it. If you're serious about trading smarter, like, subscribe, and comment which indicator you want next. Trading isn't guessing, it's confidence. Let's grow smarter together.